Danny, feed the birds. Give them some bread. Throw it away. Sammy, feed the birds. RFK Stadium Farmers Market. Up. Sit down, Sammy. Don't move. You're scaring the birds. Danny, feed the birds. You sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down, Sammy. Danny, sit down. Danny, don't eat that. Don't eat that. Spit it out. Spit it out. Spit it out. Dee. Sit down, Danny. Danny, sit down. You're scaring the birds. Sammy, sit down. Danny, sit down. Don't move, okay? You're scaring the birds. Danny, more bread. Give them bread. Danny, sit down. Sit down, Danny. Danny, I told you sit down. Sit down. You sit down. Yeah, Sammy, sit down. Sit down. Yes, this is streetcar. Danny, give them bread. Sammy, sit down. Street birds. So, Danny, more bread. Give them the bread. Lucky day. It's your lucky day, birds. You got Italian bread. Let me see. Let me see that bread. That's yeah, premium Italian bread. It's your lucky day, birds. Count. How many birds can you see? Count the birds, Danny.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Sam, feed the birds. Here. Sit down, sit down. No, don't move, don't move. Throw from here. You can throw from here. Sit down, Daniel. Don't move. They'll come back. This is metro train, DC metro train. That's orange line. Sit down, Sammy. Don't scare the birds, then. Here, then. Keep more bread.
I get some more.
Don't eat that, okay? That's birds' bread. That's for birds, okay?
I had it.
Oh, you don't want more?
More.
Throw it away. Like this. Yeah. It's their lucky day. It's their lunch.
You always talk about something that I have no significance to do with. You know what I'm saying?
It's birds. It's their birthday today. You know, Danny? Okay, what? Then you want more bread? Give to the birds. Feed the birds. It is their lucky day.